Okay, so fresh diesel. Oil I drained out of it. I also primed the system all the way up, drained the lines. Let's just say the fire is going to go good. There's about a water bottle worth in there, so let's see. Never tried it yet. Okay, ready?
Yep.
More.
Oh.
Close. Again, there's going to be a lot of that in the combustion chamber that has to be pulled out of it. So
There she goes.
first ever running in like 15 years. First cold start in 15 years.
There you go.
I got the belt off it right now. Let it idle for a while, clean herself out. She's dripping over here. I seen a drip, but that could just be vibration. Again, I took that cap out, so dry underneath it. Give her a little more fuel. Should start up good now every time. See what I mean about the smoke coming right in? It might actually melt the dash too. So it's going to be a quick test drive. It always sounds like diesel's knocked a little, hey? I love the smell of it. Okay, I better shut her down. Okay, I'll put on the belt and give her a try. I tightened the bolts. You're recording, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to get so stinky after this. Yeah, the belt's a little tight. Yeah, it's walking a little bit. Doesn't quite stop the belt. Okay, I'll need to adjust the clutch. I gotta break in the engine, so good way to do it. I wish I hooked this up first. I'm just gonna go around. I'll take the hole. It's not that warm. Again, just breaking in the engine. I wonder if I could shift it into a higher gear. There we go. look at that. The clutch is starting to almost work. Look at that. Try reverse. Come on, belt doesn't want to stop anymore, eh? Low range. Low range works. Third gear in low range. Nope, doesn't want anything to do with that. There we go. Now that's third gear. Lifts the wheels off the ground. Logan. Second gear. Lifted the front wheels right off there. Yeah, that's just because I killed the valve on it instead of shutting off the fuel. Hot cylinder. Yeah, it's not too bad. So I'm just seeing if there's any leaks. That was the first time really test driving. I've been around a few times, but I don't want to start it back up on full bore, so turn it right about there. Most of that's just for blading it, the oil out of it. That's why it's all wet on the front. But other than that, it seems to be going pretty good. A little bit of a ring-a-ting-ting noise. I think that's pretty dry up here. This idler pulley here is what's making most of the noise. Yeah. I don't want to melt the dash. Look where the exhaust is going, right into the dash. But it's pretty good. Well, this is the cheap, horrible solar panel that I'm using. I'm not using that guy. I'm using this one. So you can see the battery's dead. Should be down to 10 volts, 10.1 volts. So I'll be hooking up the solar panel today, and 40 watts and 40 watts of bulbs should work out okay for now. Again, this is just temporary.